The first phase of the growth cycle is the seed or clone phase. During this phase, us growers try to provide our crop with a good foundation for the rest of the cycle. There are so many products you might want to add at this time, like stimulators, basic nutrients, micronutrients, and so on. That's why I always use ATA Rootbastic, a great product that has it all.
Rootbastic consists of a high dosage of phosphorus, several naturally root-stimulating ingredients, and plenty of micronutrients. First, the phosphorus is vital for the transport of energy through a molecule called ATP. Within this molecule, the energy from photosynthesis is stored and distributed to wherever energy is required.
Boron is essential for the synthesis of new cells and their walls. A plant with a boron deficiency will have short, stumpy roots with only a few root hairs.
Next, copper is crucial for the vascular system, which transports water and nutrients from A to B.
Yes, and without iron, the plant wouldn't have the energy required to develop.
Up next, manganese facilitates root cell elongation and increases resistance against root diseases.
Lastly, zinc is important for the production of auxin, a plant growth hormone that initiates the growth of new roots.
Rootbastic is highly concentrated and therefore very economical in use. With only 1 liter of Rootbastic, you can make up to 5,000 liters worth of nutrient solution.
So if you are looking to provide the perfect foundation for your crops, try out Rootbastic, because a proper foundation means a bigger yield. Join the ATAMI universe now.